kink here, little kink, and we have a big kink there, and kink here. Hips are rotated left front, and shoulder blades right is higher than this left. Little tug, little tug. Good. Very relaxed. Real relaxed, like real floppy. Yes. Real floppy. Okay, flip. All right, nice deep breath in and blow out. Oh yeah, you needed that bad. Good, nice deep breath in and blow out. Got that one. Good. One more time, deep breath in and blow out and just, melt to the mat. Good. And we have the right is shorter than that left. Very relaxed. Very relaxed. Little tug. Good. Relax that arm here. Okay. Head down there, feet down here. Let's see this one. Tug, tug. Good. There we go. Good. Okay. Relax your legs. Good. Even. Good. Now left hand over. Yep, right on top. Good. And we'll travel down. Nice and straight. Shoulder blades even.